Linking a debit card to Cash App is a simple process and it allows you to send and receive money through the app. Here's how to do it. Download and install Cash App. If you haven't already, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your mobile device. Create an account. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create a Cash App account. You will need to provide your phone number or email address and set up a unique username. Link a debit card. Once your account is set up, tap the profile icon to access your profile settings. From there, select Linked Accounts and then choose Link Debit Card. Enter card information. You will be prompted to enter your debit card information, including the 16-digit card number, the card's expiration date, and the CVV on the back of the card. Verify card. Cash App may ask you to verify your debit card. This can be done by confirming a small amount that Cash App will send to your bank account. Once you receive the amount, enter it in the app to complete the verification. Set up a PIN or use biometrics. For added security, you can set up a PIN or use biometric authentication to protect your Cash App account. Link successful. After completing these steps, your debit card will be successfully linked to your Cash App account. You can now use it to send and receive money, make payments, and withdraw funds from ATMs if your debit card allows it.